What? Stock rims. Radio. The seats are alright. I guess we have a bunch of parts. Camshaft. Look how oxidated it is. It's not even supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look like this. Look at this. Coolant, never mind. Thermostat housing, coolant flange, thermometer, injectors, spark plugs. Look, all burnt out. Take manifold, AC compressor, everything. Took it off basically. Took off the front clip. Tried to. I didn't want to come off. It's like welded here or something. It's weird. It moves. We were able to take out the water yesterday out of the radiator. You can't really tell. There was water inside the engine. That's why we decided to pull it. No power steering pump. Trans pad. Basically it. The battery used to be there. You just check that out. That brown stuff, that's old. It's a water. You can tell it's water. Look at that oil. That right there, boys, is oil. Look. Jesus Christ. There was water in the block. You can see it down there, kind of. Try my best. Whole shot. Thought it'll be gone, but hopefully by today or tomorrow. Working on the other GTI, the original, first one. It's a 5-pound in the mirror on there. Nasty seats. Chewed up here, more. Old spark plugs. Can't tell, but they're nasty and dirty from the tip, obviously. The tips. Front. I threw some of these on. Apparently they're stock, so I really don't care. The car's stock enough. Can't get any more stock than stock parts. We got the fourth one on there. I had to go buy myself one of these because where'd it go? I think I threw it away. Here goes nothing. First start, I guess. Fall over. I'll leave it here. Fresh spark plugs. and everything else, except the thermostat and the stupid temp coolant I can't figure out.